We just started our journey from Sydney to Newcastle and it took us like around 2.5 hours. It was not much busy on the roads and that was really quite fun. This was our first stop where we stayed for like 20 minutes and looked at the beauty around. It was quite natural. Literally no one was around.
Hello guys, how are you? The tea is fantastic. We are now on the M1 traveling to Newcastle. It's really a nice weather today and talk to you later soon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum सज्जनों ते मित्रों, ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੋਟਰਵੇ ਚੜ ਗਏ ਆ ਤੇ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਿਊਕਾਸਲ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਰਮਜ਼ਾਨ ਦਾ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਹੈ, ਦਿਨ ਦਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੈ, ਸੂਰਜ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਵਾ ਨੇਜ਼ੇ ਦੀ ਨੋਕ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਲੇ 4 ਘੰਟੇ ਹੈ ਨੇ ਹਲੇ। ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਤਾਲਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਗੁਫ਼ਤਗੂ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ।
One of our mate got excited after looking at these many cars altogether. Like he just moved here to Sydney. Like he got really excited. He was quite happy, but at the end of the trip, the car auction. Started our drive back to Sydney and it took us like around 3 hours to get back to home. That was one drive, but it was a beautiful weather, sunny, and it was productive day, a day well spent.
स्टॉप पे जाके day. Finally, we are back to Sydney after having a beautiful long trip of around 6 hours drive. It's raining now in Sydney. We enjoyed a lot over there, over stay. A little bit drama happened, but
On the way back, yeah.
everything good now, and we are back to Sydney, back to home. Almost like a flat tire. We'll be there at the time.
Home sweet home, back to Sydney. Yo. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Stay tuned.